Hey y'all, welcome back to Side on the Shed. As you can probably hear, I have the fan going, so pardon me. But I wanted to show you what my transmission mounts look like. There's one set, upper and lower. There's the second set, upper and lower. This is what they're supposed to look like. So yeah, needless to say, I'm replacing them. All right, I'll show you them installed here in just a little bit. All right, y'all, here we go. I got the transmission mounts in on the cross member and everything. And there we go. Yeah, I'll get them torqued down and set up the way they're supposed to be here in just a little bit. I just wanted to show you I got them on, and yeah, I made everything pretty, but basically there was a lot of rust, a lot of pitting on everything here. Like I said, this hasn't been touched in 32 years. And so I wire wheeled it best I could, and I just wanted to protect it. So I got a lot of paint on it, believe it or not, just whole bunches of paint. So hopefully it'll last another 32 years. Anyway, I'm gonna call it quits for the evening, and try and get this transmission in tomorrow. And sometime this weekend I'll give you guys another update. And I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank everyone. I really do appreciate y'all watching me and checking out my channel. Y'all have yourselves a great weekend. We'll catch you later.